How to see unsent messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to see unsent messages on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger and make sure that you sign into your account. Now navigate to the three-bar menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now choose the settings option. On the Preferences section, look for the option of Notifications and Sound and make sure that you have turned on all the options given here. Next, you need to exit Messenger and go to your phone settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notification and Status bar depending upon your device. Select More Settings option and go to the Notification History option and make sure that you turn on the button for Notification History. Now, whenever someone sends a message, it may still appear in this log. That's it. This method can help you recover unsent messenger messages through notification history. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.